Here we go, guys. This is for this beautiful bird. I probably undersold myself here. We're going to get us a winner. We got 50 spots. We got us a timestamp. 752. This was my only Zelle. Here's all the PayPal starting at the bottom. That was at the top, yep. There we go, and to the bottom right there. Alright, we are going to random. We are secure. We can view the certificate. There we go. We're going to refresh this a few times. Alright, we got 1 through 50. Gonna zoom in for you guys. Sorry about that. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. 3, 2, 1. Number 2. Let's go look at number 2. Casey taking it down. Congratulations. We're going to get us a winner there. 754. 754. Do the same on the end. Congratulations, Casey. 754, 754. PM me with your address. Thanks everybody for playing. Still got a few spots in the Purple People Eater. Go check it out.